Using the Andis Envy clipper with the blade open, begin cutting just below the parietal ridge using quick C-stroke motions around the bottom half of the head. Close the blade slightly and go back around the head with the same motion, only this time working slightly lower than the previously cut section. Continue the same process, closing the lever one notch at a time as you move lower on the head. With the blade fully closed, finish out the fade. At the nape, tip the head forward and pull the skin taut to lift the short hair off the skin. Repeat the same process as the previously cut sections. Use the number 0 attachment comb and keep the blade closed. Move to the top of the head and cut with the grain to remove length. Use the barber comb to remove any cut hair as you work. Move to the temple area and work around the head going against the grain and quick C-stroke motions to blend the weight line. Remove the attachment comb and open the blade. Place the clipper blade on the skin at a 45-degree angle so only a portion is touching the head, and cut in short up-down motions to blend the remaining weight line. Use the Andis charm trimmer to define the perimeter line. Start in the center of the front hairline and cut to either temple. Create an arc at the temple with the corner of the blade to create the curved shape. Finish with a 90-degree angle at the temple corner. Repeat on the opposite side. To start the design, place the trimmer at the front hairline about 1 to 2 inches in from the corner of the right temple. Tap the corner of the blade on the skin and move in a curved line approximately 2 to 3 inches in. Move about a ½ inch towards the ear to place the next curved line, narrowing the space between them as you work inwards to give a shooting star effect. To create the outline of the star, imagine making an upside-down V at the end of the 2 arches. Using a crisscross effect, continue placing the outline of the star. It should appear as if you drew it with one continuous line. We used the width of the charms blade to create each side of the V. Once the outline is established, use the corner of the blade to carefully remove the hair inside the star. Then go back through each line to clarify the design and complete the finished look.